Hello guys, this video is about a topic related to Facebook marketing that many people are stuck on it. Have you ever spent hours posting in Facebook groups every day but still get no message, no customer, no sales? You work harder but the results are still weak. And the worst part is, you need to get more reach to grow, but doing everything by hand is too slow and too hard to scale. So the problem is not your product. The real problem is that you are still doing marketing manually. And today I want to show you a smart way to do it. Okay, I bring you a software that is MKT Care. It can solve your problem. You can see the post function here. You can post to thousands of groups, post to personal walls, post reel or marketplace. Okay, you just need a content already and choose the post group function. Okay, in the post configuration you can see you can post according to groups, to group ID or by keyword. Okay, for example, I will post to list Shopee. Okay, then I choose my content. Okay, then you can set up how many groups you want to post on it. Okay, and tick your account and hit the start button here. Okay, and the software will handle it for you. It will automatically post to thousands of groups related to keyword you already enter here. Okay, wait a minute and let's see how it do it. Okay, you can see the system activity here. Okay, you see here, right? Okay, that's very simple. You can check the post history here. Okay, the post time and the post link. Okay, so now you can see this is no longer about posting manually every day. This is about building a system that works for you. And if you are serious about growing on Facebook, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp that I pin below. I will help you build a system that fits your business. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.